Wonder how to pass your audit and regulatory requirements on food safety? That is the number one questions that come into mind when you get asked for your audit certificates and food safety program. My name is Felicia Loo, and I specialize in helping food businesses pass their audits and meet regulatory compliance. The GMP, the HACCP, SQF certifications that you're looking for. The CFIA and US FDA compliance that you need. That's what we do on day-to-day basis. Today I'm here to talk about how we can make your food safety audits and regulatory inspection smoother and stress-free. If you've ever been worrying about meeting those tough regulations or preparing for that big audit, I have got your back. Let's dive into how working with us can make all the difference. Who we are. We are here to support food manufacturers just like yourself who wants to stay compliant, pass audit with ease, and optimize their food safety system. With years of experience, we know exactly what it takes to navigate through the complex world of food safety regulations. And the best part, we customize our support to fit your unique needs, both now and in the future. Now, why work with us? There are four main key benefits. Let's break down why partnering with us is the best decision for your business. Quick lead time. We understand that time is money, so we work quickly without compromising quality to help you get audit ready as fast as possible. Support throughout your audits or regulatory inspections. No more feeling alone during inspections. We're here to guide you every step of the way, making sure everything is on track and your auditors or inspectors are happy. Customized support based on your current and future needs. We don't just offer one size fits all solutions. We do take the time to learn about your operations and provide tailored advice that works for your business and growth goals. Simplified record keeping requirements. Keeping records can feel like a chore, but we want to make it simple for you. We'll streamline the process so you spend less time on paperwork and more time growing your business. How do we save you time? With our expertise, you get more than just an audit prep. We provide trainings for your team, making sure that they know exactly what is expected, which means less confusions and more time saved down the road. At the end of the day, we're here to simplify the audit process, the inspection process, and help you stay compliant with ease. You're ready to get started, or if you have any questions about food safety audits and regulatory inspection, we book a complimentary no obligations call so we can get to know each other through the link in this video. We're here to help you make food safety easy and stress-free. Now stay safe, stay compliant, and let's make your next audit the best one yet. Book your call today or give us a call at 236 513 2488. Talk soon!